To start my polenta cake, I've set my oven to gas mark 4 and I have lined a 13 by 9 inch baking tray, as you can see here, with baking parchment. And now I'm going to start my cake by adding 300 grams of spread, butter, whatever you want to put in to your mixer, along with 300 grams of caster sugar going right in. And I'm going to whisk those together until they are light and fluffy, which may take a minute because there's quite a lot. And again, I've not switched it on. Will I ever learn? And we'll be back when they're nice and light and fluffy. Okay, so now that we've mixed our butter and sugar together, it's time to add our eggs. And in this instance, we're adding 5 large eggs. So one at a time, sharp crack on the side, and in they go. And gently mix them in. And I'm going to continue that till all 5 eggs have been incorporated into my mixture. So I've taken my mixture off the stand mixer, and what I'm going to do now is, excuse me while I just clean up this because we'll get covered in it, is add in my lemon zest. So I've got 2 unwaxed lemons here. Using a fine grater, I'm going to use the yellow part of the lemon only. I have already washed, I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see what's going on. Here we go, at a moment. I've already washed my lemons, so you can just use them as they are. The thing with buying unwaxed lemons is they don't have that awful taste that you get if you buy a waxed lemon. If you do buy waxed lemons, because that's all you can get hold of, when you're cleaning them, give them a scrub with a brush or something underneath the hot water, and it should get rid of most of that wax taste. If it doesn't, give it another go. And then just mix that into my cake mixture. Now the thing about this cake is it's gluten free, doesn't have any flour of any sort in it, so don't worry about it when you're mixing things in. It won't over mix anything. I've got here 200 grams of ground almonds, which I'll pop in there, and we'll mix those in. These help to keep the cake lovely and moist. We're just going to fold those in nicely. Again, as I say, it's not going to make much difference to the cake because the cake has no gluten in it, so don't worry about it. You can give it that if you want to. It's not the end of the world, it's not going to harm it. Once you've done that, we're going to put in 250 grams of polenta. And if you can't get polenta, then you could use fine cornmeal. And that's going in. And as I'm putting this in, I'm going to pop in there the juice of my 2 lemons. So mix these in and then we'll add the lemon juice. This is a very quick cake to bake. It takes a wee while to cook, but it's worth it because it is so delicious. And it keeps for a while as well, that's the thing. So I'm going to add my lemon juice and finish mixing. So there's half going in. Just be careful when you do this because I've got a bad habit of it going everywhere. This will help to keep it lovely and moist. As I said, there's no gluten in here, so don't worry about it getting overmixed, because it can't overmix. And then last one, flex your muscles again. And just mix that in. And all we're going to do with this is transfer it to a tin, which we have to our side here. And then bake it in an oven, gas mark for 50 minutes to an hour, depending on your oven.